Hi, I'm Jordan with Sawblade.com. Are you in the market for a mild steel blade that incorporates professional quality at an economical price? Well, here at Sawblade.com, we've got the solution for you. This is our 12-inch mild steel QSaw Blade. This mild steel blade is designed to handle materials with wall thickness from 1/8 to 1/2 inch. The 12-inch blade fits all machines with a 1-inch arbor with a max speed of 2,000 RPMs. It's equipped with an industrial-quality metal cutting carbide with a triple chip design. This provides excellent blade life as well as an outstanding finish in a variety of applications. It also has a thick laser-cut body yielding superior rigidity to the blade, making it tough enough to handle even the toughest of projects. To get your industrial-quality QSaw blade, log on to Sawblade.com where we offer a wide variety of performance sawing products at factory direct prices. I'm Jordan with Sawblade.com, and remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem, go direct.